This is Danny, and I just wanted to come on and wanted to welcome you to my channel. And I hope you stay with me and subscribe and watch my videos because I have a lot of videos I would love to share on how I do my nails. And I just want to show that you can have nice manicured hands that you can do at home and that you can afford to do, because I don't know about you guys, but the nail salons are becoming a little bit pricey for me. Every now and then I will go and get them done, you know, especially like my little toes. I want my nails done. But for the most part, I just do them myself. But basically this video, I'm just gonna show you how I just prep my nails and just get them ready for a polish. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna take this polish off. And I have these little, I prefer cotton balls, but I need to use these up. And so I'm gonna use this nail polish remover. I guess this is by Sound Body. I don't know where I got this from, but when I'm working with regular polish, I tend to just like removing the regular nail polish with something that has like a vitamin E in it. Not necessarily acetone because it's really drying, but of course if you're working with gel, you know, you're gonna need to soak it off unless you want to peel it. I don't know about that, but I am guilty of that, just like peeling it off. So now I'm just gonna go in and start shaping my nails how I want them. As you can see, my nails, they're kind of all kind of different shapes and sizes. I already shaped this one, as you can see. Hopefully you can see. And I personally like all my nails to be the same length. This one, the corner of it had broke, so I filed it until it was the length of like that short part of my nail, if that makes sense. And so basically I want all of my nails to, for the most part, be this same length as far as the white tip of your nail. I want it to be the same size. So that's my goal when I try to shape my nails. This one, it's really beat up, but this is mine. I only use it on myself, no one else. So as I'm looking at this one, I'm just gonna go ahead and get this one as short as I can. And I like to stop and look. And I just keep going down. And then I like to get the corners. And I try to get the corners in around them. That's why I'm going like that. Because I don't want that tip to be so square, because I think that contributes to your nail breaking when this isn't, like, you know, rounded pretty well. And hopefully you can see. And I know some people, they may tell you, oh, you shouldn't go back and forth, do that. Do what's best for you. Do what's best for you and what's gonna work. As you can see, I do a lot of different strokes to get it how I want it to look. Now, compared to this one is maybe just a little smidget longer, but shape-wise, I'm happy with that. And I like to look at my nails this way, and I like to look at my nails that way. Now this is a long nail. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna kind of clip it a little bit because we will be here filing all day. And I'm just taking a cuticle nipper. And then I'm gonna file it the rest of the way. So I'm really trying to get this side as well as this side. And that's what I do. You don't have to be perfect. You do what is best for you. I've been doing my nails like this for years. And this works for me. Okay. So this does appear maybe a little bit longer than that, but not really. But overall, just looking at it, it looks good to me. So for right now, I'm gonna stop with this nail and move on with this one. This one is pretty long, so I'm gonna clip that as well. Because again, we will be here filing all day. And hopefully you can see if my finger's not in the way. And I'm gonna get the side. And I'll have everything that I used in this video or something similar linked, if that's okay with you guys, if that's what you want to see. So I'm trying to round in this corner as best as I can. Okay, so this looks good to me, and I'm also gonna flip it this way because sometimes you can find where it's kind of off a little bit. And now we're gonna do my nail, and I think I'm just gonna file this one down. Now when it comes to my thumbnails, I don't really try to make them be necessarily the exact same length as these 4 fingers. Now I don't want this really long and these are short, but sometimes I let the thumbs be like their own length, but at the same time they will go with the same size and shape as my other 4 nails, if that makes sense. And what I do is I try to look at both my nails, and so I think I can kind of achieve the nail shape that I'm going for. And so now it looks like it's at a length that I like. And as you can see, I'm just kind of lightly getting it how I want it. And I think that this looks good. So then what I'll do, I'll just go in and like push up my cuticle. And I'm gonna take this tool here. I think I got this from Sally's, I think. But sometimes I don't put like a cuticle remover like on here. I just push up my nails. Excuse me, with the cuticle. And for the most part, my cuticles are soft because I actually just washed my hands before I started. And I'm still gonna wash my hands again. Okay. Okay, and that looks pretty good to me. And then I will get a buffer. Let's see if I can get this paper off. Okay, and so I'm just gonna go in and buff. And so what I'm doing is basically smoothing the nail bed and the edge of your nail. And you don't have to do it really hard. Just, you know, smooth it out, because you don't want to do it to where you're thinning like your nail out, because the polish is going to help with that as well. But you just buff it out, smooth it. So this looks pretty good to me. And what I'm gonna do is now I'm just still gonna look closely. And as you can see, I'm just kind of tapping the edge here. Okay. And so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to go and wash my hands. All right, you guys, I'm back. So I just finished washing my hands, and this is what they look like now. I go in with an acid-less primer. I think that this helps. I believe it helps to dry out the nail bed further, so the polish or whatnot could adhere a lot better. But I just got this like from Sally's, but any acid-less primer, that's what I do. And I just dip it in there, and you just put it all over the nail. And it doesn't have to be perfect, at least not for me. You just put it on there. Okay, and that's it with the acidless primer. Now, I think this is more geared towards for artificial nails, but I think it still works the same for if you have natural nails. So that's pretty it, you guys. And that's how I prep my nails to get ready for either a regular polish or gel. So stay tuned. I will be putting up another video as far as the nail design that I'm gonna do, and I'm still trying to figure it out. But yes, this is what I do to get my nails prepped for color. So thank you for watching, and please come back and hang with me. Bye.